Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Android app development for beginners. In the last video, we have learned about the build process of Android, how internally the build process works. In this video, we'll be learning about how we can set up a development environment for creating our first own Android application. So guys, let's get started. To set up your development environment on Windows, you need to install the Java Development Kit that is called JDK from Oracle and Android Studio with the Android SDK. If you don't have the Java Development Kit installed, you can download it for free from java.oracle.com. From here, you can go to Java SE folder and then you have to find the JDK. Now from over here, basically select the appropriate version for the copy of Windows. The x86 version is for Windows and 32-bit, and x64 version is for 64-bit. Follow all the instruction and make sure you install both the JDK and JRE. I have already installed in my system. So now let's go to your disk and find out where you have installed it. It is installed inside C colon backslash program files backslash Java backslash JDK folder, inside which you will find a bin folder. Now I'm going to click on the address bar and copy that string to the clipboard. Now I would basically go inside the environment variable, basically the control panel, so that we can check the environment. Now go to the control panel and type beginning of environment variable and click edit environment system variable. Now over here you will see the environment variable option available, and go to the path setting. Here you will see that notice I have already added a bin folder under my JDK folder. This will allow me to call all the commands from bin folder on my file system. I will test it by going inside the command prompt. I will type here Java version. So basically you can see that I'm running version 1.8 update 211. I will also check availability of Java compiler with Java dash Java C dash version. So you can see that I'm having 1.8 update 211 version. In addition to your install, basically setting the path before you install Android Studio, you should also set a variable name in Java, that is basically Java underscore home. This is set in the location JDK not bin folder. Now you are ready to install Android Studio and the SDK. You can download all of that software from the URL t.android.com. It will basically, over here you will find at the top Android Studio. Just click on that, it will redirect it to the Android installer page. So basically this contains the Android Studio application and the first part of SDK. You can find it over here. Just click on that and it will just ask you to agree the permission, and from over here you can just install it. I have already installed it in my system.